Hey everyone, today we are showing you how to get back into an Instagram account when you do not have longer access to the email or phone number. So we can just go over and follow every step in order to do so. So let's just get started. You can use the apps Get Help logging in or forgot password from your mobile device. Open up the Instagram app for that, and once you open it up, you will be finding the login screen. What you need to do is basically look out for the option of forgot password or get help logging in. So look out for one of them and tap on it. After you tap on it, this page opens up. So what you can do is you can start by entering up your username, not email or phone if you do not have them. In this box right here, instead you can use your username. So just go over and enter up your username, and once you do so, you can tap on continue. After that, you can just go over and look out for the option called no longer have access to these or need more help, and tap on it, and that will open up the recovery form flow for people who lost access to their email or phone. And that is how you recover from known devices. Another thing what you can do is you can look out for my account was hacked. You can go to instagram.com that hack slash, which is this one right here. So once you are in the space, here you can look out for the guidance for the hacked accounts and follow the steps to report it. That flow may send a login link or start identity verification. You can just go ahead and do so. In this section, you can start by using your username instead of the phone number or email address. After that, tap on next and confirm the process and follow the prompts, and explain that you have lost access to the email or the phone and given any previously used email address or phone numbers, and you can add up a contact email so that they can reach you at a new working email you control. You can upload proof, screenshots, proof of action, creation, receipts if you've used Instagram ads or had beta verified, etc. Fill everything exactly and clearly, and Instagram's human automated review will use these details to verify, and that way you can just go over and recover your account. And that's it. So therefore, that is it, everybody. You may follow up this process for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.